welcome to a journey into pure Italian passion and performance as we dive into the breathtaking 2026 Ferrari 812 GTS. This is not just a car, it is an experience, a masterpiece born from decades of Ferrari's racing DNA, heritage, and innovation. The 812 GTS carries forward the tradition of front-engine V12 supercars, but with a level of refinement and exhilaration that feels almost unreal. When you look at it, you instantly realize it is sculpted not only to cut through the air with precision, but also to stop hearts in their tracks. Asterisk from the very first glance, the design speaks of Ferrari's unmatched elegance. The aggressive stance, the sharp aerodynamics, and the flowing body lines all create a perfect balance between beauty and functionality. Every curve is engineered with purpose, every detail with passion. The retractable hardtop roof adds that extra touch of freedom, transforming the 812 GTS into a true open-air V12 symphony. Whether the roof is up or down, the car looks like a rolling piece of art that belongs both on the racetrack and on the streets of Monaco or the Amalfi Coast. Asterisk, and then comes the soul of this machine, the naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine. A roaring beast capable of delivering more than 830 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful production convertibles in the world. The engine revs to the heavens, reaching over 9,000 RPM, delivering a sound so intoxicating that it alone could justify owning this car. The acceleration is explosive, launching from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just under 3 seconds, while the top speed pushes beyond 340 kilometers per hour. This is the kind of performance that doesn't just impress on paper, it shakes your very core when you feel it. Asterisk, Ferrari has always mastered the art of connecting driver and machine, and the 812 GTS is no exception. The steering is razor sharp, the chassis balance is flawless, and the rear-wheel drive setup combined with advanced aerodynamics gives you the confidence to push harder every time you sit behind the wheel. The new suspension tuning, electronic aids, and Ferrari's side slip control technology ensure that whether you are cruising on highways, carving through mountain roads, or testing limits on a racetrack, the car always feels alive and in sync with you. Asterisk, step inside, and you are welcomed by an interior that combines luxury with cutting-edge technology. Premium leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum touches surround you, giving a cockpit feel while still maintaining that Ferrari comfort. The digital displays bring all the essential performance data to your fingertips, while the passenger has their own screen to stay engaged in the thrill of the drive. The seating position is low, the visibility wide, and the ergonomics are designed so every button and paddle feels natural in your hands. It is both a driver's machine and a grand tourer, capable of thrilling you on track and pampering you on long journeys. Asterisk, what makes the 2026 Ferrari 812 GTS so special is not only its power or speed, but the way it makes you feel. It is an emotional machine, a car that sings with its engine note, excites with its acceleration, and amazes with its design. It represents freedom when the roof folds back and the V12 soundtrack echoes through the open sky. It represents heritage, being the continuation of Ferrari's legendary line of front-engine convertibles. And it represents the future with technologies that make the driving experience safer, sharper, and more exhilarating than ever before. Asterisk, owning a Ferrari has always been a dream for many, but the 812 GTS is something beyond a dream. It is a statement of passion, a connection between art and engineering, a reminder that while the automotive world moves toward electrification, there is still magic left in the sound and soul of a naturally aspirated V12. Every second with this car is an occasion, every drive is an event, and every moment reminds you why Ferrari is in a league of its own. Asterisk, so here we are, looking at a car that is not just about performance numbers or luxury features, but about emotion, thrill, and timeless beauty. The 2026 Ferrari 812 GTS is more than just a supercar. It is a celebration of everything Ferrari stands for. If you ever get the chance to see one, to hear one, or even to sit in one, you will understand why this machine has already become a legend in the making. Asterisk, thank you for being part of this ride today. Stay tuned for more journeys into the world of performance and passion. And until next time, keep the love for driving alive.